Hey everyone, welcome back to Put Your Makeup On. My name is Katie and I am a makeup artist at Sephora. And today we are going to be talking about my Sephora gratis haul. I love filming these videos. I know that Sephora gratis is definitely a question that comes up a lot on social media. What is Sephora gratis? Why do they get it? That is going to be the topic of today's video. I have everything laid out in front of me. It's not a gigantic haul by any means. It's on the more smaller side. And of course, if you want to see more of me, be sure to subscribe to my channel and let's get into today's video.
One, three, four.
Alrighty, so what is Sephora Gratis? Sephora Gratis is a program that Sephora devised for employees to get products for free for working at Sephora and for us to test out products, whether that being a color or a fragrance or skincare or hair care. It's basically for us to test on ourselves, and that way we could better sell it to the clients. This is something that I'm really passionate about because I love testing out products, seeing how they work. Okay, does this work for your skin type? Okay, does this work for your skin tone? So I'm really passionate about a lot of things as far as testing goes, and that's also another reason why I also make myself samples of different products as well. So that's basically what Sephora Gratis is. It's for employees. I've been with Sephora now. Next month, I will be at Sephora for 5 years. And I love it. It's it's just amazing. But that's a whole other video. So we have here the new Better Than Sex liner from Too Faced, which is exactly in the same color packaging as their Better Than Sex mascara. And I am wearing it actually for the first time today. And this is like freaking thin, man. It is super, super tiny. And you could see the brush applicator right here. It is a brush applicator, not a felt tip. And I love how easy it is to glide on. I really like this eyeliner. I think it's something that is definitely very easy if you are the type of person who has a very shaky hand. I think it's definitely really nice. So I'm wearing it for the first time. It only comes black as of now, and it is also priced for $21. So the next item we have here is from Mercier, and this is their new volume Caviar mascara, and I'm wearing it for the first time again today. And I gotta be honest with you, I don't want to judge it too quickly, but I feel like it didn't give the volume that I'm looking for. I don't know, but again, I don't want to judge it. First time wearing it. I think mascara honestly does better with age. So again, this is essentially what the packaging looks like. I have to say, I like the gunmetal design to it. I think it's a very interesting color. And the wand is just a regular brush tip, brush boar bristle wand. Has a little bit of a ribbon curve to it, which I think is pretty interesting. And this one is priced for $25. So I don't know. Can you see my lashes? I don't know. But yeah, I have that on now. I have that on today. So yeah, any new favorite mascaras do you like? What are some new mascaras do you guys like? Comment down below. I'd love to know. So next we have from Nars, a very classic concealer. I literally have 20 people a day asking for a Nars concealer. And this is the Radiant Creamy Concealer. And again, I have it on today. I am wearing the shade Custard, which is a better shade for me, for my skin tone, for coverage, not so much the brightening. I do recommend with this concealer, I would recommend a good amount of eye cream underneath it because it is a little on the drying side. Even in general though, it's a good concealer for coverage. I like it. Again, Custard is a great shade. They did expand their shade range, so if you need help picking out a color, go into your local Sephora, ask for a color IQ. They'll be more than happy to help you. So yeah, Nars, hello mother. So Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, $30. What do we have next? Gimme Brow. Gimme Brow from Benefit. Something that I will always wear. It is so good. And this is what it looks like right here. I am wearing the shade 4.5. They did also expand their shade range as well. I think they used to have 3 colors. It was like 1, 3, and 5, and now there's like 7 different colors, which is insane. And I really do like this product. Even if your brows are very full, like mine are, this is actually all I have on today. I have no pencil on, no nothing, just this. Again, I'm wearing shade 4.5. So even if your brows are very full, or even if they're very sparse and don't really have a lot of hair happening, what I really like about this product, there's very small little microscopic fibers in here to mimic the appearance of real hair, and because it is in a gel-based formula, it makes the actual the brow hair stay in place. And I like it because also it doesn't look so like drawn on like a pencil does. I think it's a fantastic product. They make 2 different sizes, a full size and a mini. That size is priced for $24, and I gotta be honest with you, I know it looks small, but there's a lot of product in here, and you'll definitely be using it. I would say maybe if you're wearing it every day, I would probably say about a good like 2-3 months worth. So I definitely think it's something to look into. What else we got? We have the Beauty Blender Foundation, and oh my lord, this packaging is so big. That's what she said. So I have a feeling that I may want to do a whole review video and maybe like a first impression or something of another of this foundation. I have never worn this foundation and I'm very curious. So if you guys would like to see a first impression review style video of the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation, give this video a thumbs up so I know, or maybe comment down below, be like, hey, I want to see that video, let's do it. So I'm really curious. I don't know, I know it's a very controversial, right? Is that the word? Controversial, I can't say that word. Product because of the shade range. I remember when that whole debacle happened. I don't know if it's something that is still, do people want this foundation? I don't know, but I'm still curious. So yeah, I got that. I do have the shade 2.2N, 2.20N. Well, that's what I got. It is like ginormous though. I would not want to travel with that. And that one also is priced for $40. You're paying for half of the packaging. That price tag. So we also have here, super happy that Charlotte Tilbury finally came to my location. So the thing is with Sephora, not every location is the same. Unfortunately, with space and, you know, real estate and how big the stores are, every store will carry, some stores will carry the same brand, some stores won't. So for the longest time, we never had Charlotte Tilbury. Finally got it in, I would say maybe like 8-9 months ago, I want to say, and now I get Charlotte Tilbury gratis. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Flash Primer. That is a mouthful, which is in this bottle right here. And I did not know this. I like the fact that they're made in Switzerland. Fun fact. Wearing it for the first time. So usually if you are new here, my skin, I'm very oily. It's my life goal to stay matte. Who's with me on that one? So glowy products I tend to not really like. I don't really like to look shiny. I don't want to look cakey. I like to eat cake. I don't want to look like cake. So glowy products tend to I tend to be very skeptical when I try them. So I'm wearing it for the first time today again. I know it's about, what, almost 9:30 at night right now, so you know, we'll see. I'm going to be continuing to test this out on myself, and I will keep you guys updated. But so far, I like it. It's a very smooth, you know, consistency. And that one also is priced for $55. Goddamn, that is a pricey primer. Also have here the YSL All Hours Foundation. Now, I know what you're going to say. Katie, why the hell did you get a foundation that does not even look like you? No, I know that. I already do own 2 bottles of these from past gratises. And I gotta be honest with you, I chose this shade, which is B75, for my freelancing kit. So, but yeah, this is actually a beautiful foundation. I use it a lot on myself for special occasions. I love it on my clients at Sephora. It is oil-free. I think it's also transfer resistant, if I'm not mistaken, and it is also with SPF, full coverage, nice and matte. I love this. I think this is a beautiful Like, if it's one item I would like splurge on, if it was YSL, it would be this foundation. And that one also is priced for $54. Charlotte Tilbury, we also have another product from them. It is called the Glowgasm palette. Gotta be honest with you, I really hate when brands have like a sex name to it. It's like, it's so awkward. Like say for example, like Orgasm and like Nars and all those brands, like Pussy Control, Get Off. Like, can you, I hate when like a 13-year-old comes into Sephora and asks me, do you have orgasm? It's just so awkward. Like, why do brands have to do that? So that's just my little venting for you for the day. So anyway, Charlotte Tilbury, this is the Glowgasm face palette in the shade Lightgasm. I know they have two different palettes. This is in store, the other one's online only. But my God, whew. I mean, like, look at that. This is beautiful. So this palette is stunning. You've got your highlighter, you've got your two different blushes. One is more peachy, one is more pinky, and then the bronzer-esque product. I do have everything on right now. I gotta be honest with you, everything is very lightly pigmented. It's not as if you're gonna get like bronzer craziness so quickly. I like it. Again, first time wearing it for today. I like it so far. And are you sitting down? Are you literally sitting down? The price of this palette, I almost, like, my eyes fell out of my face when I saw the price of it. $75. I'm just going to put that there and leave that. That's what we're going to do. $75 for this puppy. But the packaging is so pretty. I love it. Okay, moving right along. I have the Caudalie Beauty Elixir in the limited edition packaging. I don't know exactly what the difference is between this one and the regular one, but it's a pink bottle. If you guys never use a beauty elixir, it's basically, it's almost kind of sort of ish like a toner essence in a way. You basically could spray it on. It smells so good. That signature Caudalie scent. If you ever like walked into a Sephora and like just walked past the Caudalie section, you know what I mean. But well worth it. I even love to spray this guy on the back of my neck in the summertime working at Sephora. Oh, so good. So yeah, that is basically what I got. And this puppy is $49, and they do make a travel size as well. We also have here the Dr.Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balance Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. I love testing out new cleansers, but sometimes I feel that my skin like yells at me when I do. This one is priced for $35, which I think is a fair price point for a high-end brand cleanser. I forget, Bianca is going to kill me. I don't remember what chlorophyll does for the skin, but I think it's very calming. Yogurt, I know, is very calming. Do you guys have any favorite like high-end luxury cleansers you like to use? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm curious. And then the last product we have here is the from the brand I can never say this word. Biossance. Why is that so difficult to pronunciate? Biossance. I really like this brand because it is a clean at Sephora brand. It doesn't have all of those heavy, crazy chemicals. Everything from the brand is like plant-based. And they're also known for their squalane, which is an ingredient that like, it's almost like a key. I remember like watching like the daily doses, like the videos that we watch. The squalane is something your body naturally produces, but as we age, we lose it over time, of course, like water. So squalane is like a key where it penetrates the skin as far as hydration goes. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. I got a squalane micronutrient fine mist, and that is what the bottle looks like. Let's actually spray it because I actually have not tested this out quite yet. So let's see if it works first. That would be advisable. Okay, so it's a really nice mist. Smells very clean. Oh, it feels so good. It feels really nice. I mean, there definitely is a little bit of a scent to it, but I feel like that's all of the essential ingredients, like the natural ingredients. I kind of like it. I'm very, very picky with like the nozzles. Some sprays that I have, like they shoot out at you. Some of the sprays are like, where are you? So yeah, I like this. And this one is to replenish, hydrate, and balance the skin. And this one is priced for $32. That is all I have. Should I share my my samples that I got? I made myself the oil-free primer from IT Cosmetics. I made myself a sample of the Pretty Vulgar Cool AF foundation, and also the Charlotte Tilbury Magic foundation. Those are the samples I made for myself the other day, which I still have to test out. That should be a video. What Sephora employees actually make themselves samples of. Oh, and I almost forgot. I don't remember the price of this, but I think it's like 20 or something like that. So this right here, I know it looks super silly. This is the Magic Eraser, which is something that I find not a lot of people really geared toward because I feel like they don't understand it. It's a product that it almost feels like a baby blanket. That's literally what it feels like. It's like super soft, and this one's really cute. It has like, it almost looks like llamas. Is that what they are? It looks like a baby llama, right? I thought it was a unicorn. I think it's a llama. That's adorable. But anyway, it's a product where you literally put it in the washing machine and you essentially add water and it like removes the makeup. I think it's quite interesting, but I feel like I still need to wash my face afterwards regardless. I feel like this would be really good to like travel with. Without this, because I totally forgot to add it to my list, how much do you think everything came to? I mean, if you've been following along, you probably had a calculator out by now, but everything, oh my god, everything came to $440. Holy guacamole. That is it for today's video. Let me know in the comments down below of any future video suggestions you guys would like to see. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, the lovely Put Your Makeup On. And I think that's all I have for this video. And I shall see you in the next one. Have a great day, guys. Bye.